With the recipes that I'm going to show you today, you can start an instant coffee business with very, very little investment. You will need instant coffee, any brand will do. You need brown or white sugar. You need coffee creamer, evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk. For the flavor, I would suggest you start with basic like vanilla or caramel. Also some chocolate powder, Milo, Ovaltine, or any chocolate powder that you have. And let's take a look at the gadgets or the tools that you would need. I would suggest you have measuring cups, shot glass. Also, to make those milk foam, I would suggest that you use an electric milk frother. Use an electric one because it is more robust and it will last a lot longer than those battery operated ones. To steam your milk, I would suggest you have this kind of pitcher. So it's aluminum or stainless steel, whatever is available to you. You need a stirrer, spoon, or this special stirrer which I really like would be perfect. You need measuring spoons, and also I would suggest that you have a foam scoop to scoop those milk foam on top of your drinks. You would need a kettle to boil your water. You would also need an ice box and also some ice scoops. If you're going to sell them to go, for hot drinks I would suggest that you have paper cups and lids, and for ice drinks, plastic cups and lids. For today, I'm going to show you 6 iced coffee recipes, and these are classic, and I would suggest that if you're starting small, start with these and then you can gradually add more flavors as you get on. In a previous video clip, I showed you how to make classic iced coffee drinks using instant coffee in 22 ounces cups. Today, I'm going to show you the same drinks plus one more bonus drink. We're going to make iced black coffee, iced latte, iced cappuccino, iced caramel macchiato, iced mocha, and iced Spanish latte in 16 ounces cup. Let's start with our first drink, which is iced black coffee. For this, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. You really need to use a lot of coffee to get the coffee taste. I'm going to add sugar. Most of those that like black coffee do not add sugar, but with instant coffee, I would strongly recommend that you add sugar. Add hot water, about 4 ounces or 120 ml. Stir to dissolve the coffee and the sugar. And then let's prepare our serving cup. Into your serving cup, fill it up with ice. Pour your black coffee mixture slowly because the drink is quite warm. If it's not full, fill it up to the top with ice and you have your iced black coffee. Next, let's make our iced latte. For this, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is entirely optional, but I would suggest that you follow my recipes first before you make any adjustments. Add 2 teaspoons of creamer. Fill it up with 120 ml of hot water. And now we're going to add our wet ingredients. 15 ml or half an ounce of evaporated milk, and finally 30 ml or 1 ounce of condensed milk. Combine well and prepare your serving cup. Fill it up with ice and pour your latte mix over. Pour it slowly because it is a very warm mixture. Stir to make the drink colder. Add more ice if you need to. And this is our iced latte in 16 ounce cup. Next, let's make our iced cappuccino. Before making our drink, let's prepare our milk foam. Using a very cold milk, froth using the electric milk frother and keep it refrigerated to stabilize the foam. Next, let's prepare our cappuccino mix. Into your measuring cup, add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons of creamer, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Again, this is optional. Add water, bring it up to 4 ounces, so that's about 3 ounces or 90 ml of hot water. Stir to combine and dissolve all the dry ingredients. Next, add your wet ingredients, 15 ml of evaporated milk and 30 ml of condensed milk. Mix well. Now we're going to prepare our serving cup. Fill it up about 3/4 full with ice. You don't want to fill it up to the top because we're going to put milk foam here. So pour your cappuccino mix over and scoop up the milk foam on top. To finish it off, add sprinkles of cocoa powder. And this is your iced cappuccino using instant coffee. Next drink, let's make iced caramel macchiato. 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons of creamer. This time I'm not going to use sugar. 120 ml of hot water. Stir to combine and dissolve all the dry ingredients. Add 15 ml of evaporated milk and 30 ml of condensed milk. Now because this is caramel macchiato, I'm going to add caramel syrup, about 15 ml. You may also add vanilla syrup if that is your preference, but I prefer to make it pure caramel. Fill your serving cup with ice and pour your caramel latte over. To make it more premium, we are going to top it up with milk foam. And then finish it off with caramel sauce. Iced caramel macchiato in 16-ounce cup. Next, let's make iced mocha. For this, I'm going to use the same amount of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of creamer, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. You'd like it to be sweeter because this is mocha. And then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Hershey's cocoa. Again, you can use any brand. You can use Milo, Ovaltine, or any chocolate powder that you have. Add 120 ml of hot water. $15 ml of evaporated milk. And finally, 30 ml of condensed milk. Combine them all well. And prepare your serving cup. Fill it up with ice. Pour your mocha mix over. To make it more premium, add some milk foam on top and finish it off with chocolate sauce topping. Iced mocha using instant coffee in 16-ounce cup. Finally, I'm going to show you how to make iced Spanish latte. For this, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons of creamer. I'm not going to add sugar here, just water, 120 ml. Stir to dissolve the dry ingredients. And finally, condensed milk, 45 ml or 1.5 ounce. Mix them well. Prepare your serving cup, fill it up with ice. Pour your Spanish latte mix over and finish it off with milk foam. Iced Spanish latte in 16-ounce cup using instant coffee. And there you go, 6 delicious iced coffee drinks using instant coffee. Enough for you to start your coffee shop from home or a pop-up cafe. I have done the taste test, but unfortunately I lost all the audio on the last clip, so please bear with me. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll see you again next time. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.